Autism causes difficulties in social interaction and communication. It's a spectrum disorder, meaning it affects individuals differently. Some may have hyper-focus on specific interests. Autistic individuals can also experience sensory overload or underreaction. Early diagnosis and intervention are important for better outcomes. Autism is not caused by bad parenting or vaccines. It's a result of genetic and environmental factors. Autism prevalence has been increasing in recent years. There is no cure for autism, but therapy can improve communication and social skills. Different types of therapy include applied behavioral analysis, speech therapy, and occupational therapy. It's important to create a supportive environment for autistic individuals. Educate yourself and be patient when interacting with autistic individuals. Some individuals with autism may have special talents or strengths. There are various organizations and support groups dedicated to autism awareness and advocacy. Autistic individuals can lead fulfilling and successful lives with proper support and understanding.